In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact on Acuity scheduling. Let's jump right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First off, you'll need to log into your Acuity scheduling account. Once you're logged in, if you're not already on the dashboard, be sure to head there because that's where the magic happens. The dashboard acts as your central hub for managing your scheduling needs, so getting comfortable navigating this space is always a good first step. Now that you're on your dashboard, take a look over to the left-hand side. You'll notice a menu with several options. Among these, find and click on Contacts. This is the section where you'll manage all of your client information. Here, you might see a default contact listed, especially if this is your first time accessing this feature. What we're going to focus on today is adding a new contact to this list, making sure your client management is as efficient as possible. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a button labeled Add Contact. Clicking on this button will open up a form designed to capture your new contact's details. Let's start with the basics. Begin by entering the first name of the client you're adding. Once that's done, proceed with their last name. Keep in mind that these foundational pieces of information will be key in keeping your contact list organized and easy to navigate. Next up is the phone number. Inputting an accurate phone number is crucial. This will facilitate any follow-up appointments or confirmations you might need to make. So double check to ensure there are no errors. Following this, you'll be prompted to add their email address. Providing a correct email address is important for scheduling confirmations and sending out reminders. Acuity scheduling utilizes email notifications effectively, so including an accurate email here helps streamline communication and minimizes hassle for you and your client. While you're filling in these details, you'll notice an option to add a note. This feature is perfect for writing down any specific information you might want to remember about this client. Maybe it's a particular preference they have, or a detail you need to follow up on later. Although this step is optional, taking advantage of it can enhance client relationships by personalizing the service you offer. After you've completed all the necessary fields, look toward the bottom of the form and click Add Client. Voila! Your new contact is now added to your list. It's a straightforward, quick process that frees you up to invest more energy into engaging with your clients. Now that you've got a handle on adding new contacts, I encourage you to explore other features Acuity scheduling offers. Whether you're just starting or have been using the platform for a while, mastering these steps will significantly boost your efficiency and workflow. And there you have it. That's the simple step-by-step process on how to add a contact on Acuity scheduling. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Plus, hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any future tips and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.